Hello everyone! Have a nice day. Back to work. Ito. Back work balloon with flowers. Kasi sabi ng amo ko, welcome home, Rose. So, may binigay siya sa akin na flower with balloon. Welcome home, Rose. So, welcome work, Rose. Yun. Pero okay lang. Actually, saya ko naman kasi binigyan niya ako ng kahit pa ganito lang at least. Welcome home, welcome work. Ganun lang talaga ang buhay. At least, kahit paano, nagkaroon tayo ng amo na mabait. That although mostly hindi naman nagkakaintindihan,